Have you ever noticed the hidden meaning in Lilo and Stitch? Do you remember the fish that Lilo always gives a peanut butter sandwich to? Pudge? We all learned that she had this weird superstition around feeding this fish every single day. We also see the adults around her sympathize with her, and even play along with this belief she holds. However, this hidden meaning tells us she only does this because she doesn't want other people to die. So in the beginning of the movie, we see her get in trouble in the hula class. She states that the only reason she gives that peanut butter sandwich to this fish every day is because that particular fish controls the weather. Where we also witness Myrtle calling her crazy, because Lilo has this strong belief, right? Well, later in the film, she explains to Stitch why her parents died. They died in a car accident from a terrible storm. This is where the hidden meaning comes in. She only does this because she doesn't want anyone else to pass away the way her parents both have. She thinks that that fish controls the whole weather because she doesn't want any other family to suffer the same way her and her sister have through the years.